Hi, this is the Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2008 Mazda 6, stock number 6326. This ran from the 2nd 2008 to the 11th 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door one scrape in the corner, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door one dent, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stick stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,